Brooklyn today. The Dodgers are moving out and your mother's moving in.
Grandma, here we are.
I'm in a wheelchair. I'm not blind. I can see where we are. And it could stand a good vacuum.
Hi, Dorothy. Hello, Mama.
Where's Salvador? He's hiding from me, isn't he? He always hides from me. The little monkey hates me.
But don't be silly. Pop is crazy about you.
Don't lie to your grandmother. It's a sin.
Oh, well, maybe he's not crazy about you, but he's very, very fond of you.
He hates me. The man repairs complicated machinery for a living 3 times this month. He couldn't set the handbrake on my wheelchair.
Grandma, that was just a coincidence.
Please, all 3 times was at the top of the stairs to the Flatbush subway station.
Mama, if Salvador hates you, why does he want you to come here and live with us?
What?
Salvador and I would like you to move in with us.
Forget it. I am not moving in.
Why not?
Let me tell you a story. Picture it. Sicily, 1881. A beautiful young peasant girl.
Mama, not another story.
Sophia, come closer.
That's it. You're moving in here. Salvador and I talked about it. We think it's best for
Oh,
you.
you think it's best for me? You didn't discuss it with me.
Fine, let's discuss
There's
it.
nothing to discuss. I'm not moving in.
Dorothy, if I ever do this to you, I want you to take me out to a field and shoot me.
Could you put that in writing?
Dorothy, come closer.
Okay, I think I can solve this problem. How? You're going to take me to the top of the stairs again?
You think I don't want you here, huh? Well, this is my home, and a man's home is his castle, and in his castle, I'm the king. Capiche?
He's talking nonsense. He must have got hold of Drop in the broom closet.
What are you saying?
I'm saying I want you to move in.
You mean that?
No.
Ah, too bad you said it.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Please.